everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use split view in Google Chrome. This is a great way to view two tabs side by side. This feature is especially useful for students, researchers, and office workers who want to multitask, take notes while watching videos, or compare two web pages at the same time. Now, to activate split view, right-click on a tab and select either New Split View with Current Tab or Add Tab to New Split View. Once you do that, your screen will instantly split into two side-by-side views. You can then adjust the size by dragging the divider in the middle left or right to give one side more space. If you click links while browsing, you can continue viewing both pages without losing your place. Perfect for research or studying. And when you're done, you can exit split view by clicking the X button, or by clicking the split view icon and selecting separate views. And that's it. Thanks for watching.